It's time for the center stage face-off for tonight. My first question, and a question all of India wants an answer to: would Warren Anderson have gotten away if this tragedy had happened in Boston and not in Bhopal? Joining me on center stage tonight, Raghu Rai, one of India's top photojournalists. He captured the iconic, the defining image of the Bhopal gas tragedy. Sunita Narayan, director for the Center for Science and Environment, is with us. The CSE has done multiple studies on how the water and the land around the factory area and in Bhopal still remains highly toxic. With us also Atul Anjan, CPI leader. The left has been raging a long battle against both the BJP and the Congress, and their representatives will be on this show as well. We'll also be going across to Rachna Dhingra, who's a leading activist who's been crusading for many years for the victims of the Bhopal gas tragedy. But Raghu Rai, as the one person who's seen this tragedy through his lens, through his own eyes, when you hear this shocking verdict, all that people have to do is a fine of 1 rupee and a jail term of 58 minutes. That's all these 7 people will have to pay by way of punishment. Do you think this would have ever happened if this had been in America?
I tell you, my friend MJ Akbar rang me up a little while ago and he just said outrageous. He didn't tell me what. I didn't ask him what. And we know what we are talking about, you know. It's a joke on ordinary poor people of this country who've suffered and gone through hell and lost so many of their precious family members. Who cares, you know? America is different, you know. 9/11 happened, 3,000 people die and billions of compensation is given. And Indians die, we are too many of us, you know. Listen, give us a break, you know. And even ministers, you know, they will, you know, they are so polished by now, they know how to avoid your basic question and beat around the bush, you know. And this has been going on, you know, and I don't know why we have to get, you know, ministers and CBI people, because CBI is a bull, is a trained bull who acts whenever they are told to act, you know. I mean, you know, this little girl's case who was murdered, and they can't solve that mystery. What are we talking about, you know, where more than 25,000 people have already died? You see, last time when I was in Bhopal, the slogan was, if you want Osama bin Laden, give us Warren Anderson, because he's killed more people there. And in any case, I believe, you know, he was given a government transport or a helicopter to escape, you know, this country. So what are we talking about? What kind of justice? And even if these people go to Supreme Court, I promise you again, there is going to be no more justice for them. Because these ordinary people, they die an ordinary death and they continue to do so.
Ordinary
and these
people.
Masses,
Ordinary people, you're saying, die an ordinary death. This is not an ordinary accident, Atul Anjan. This cannot be allowed to get away.
Yes.
Maybe the media was less vocal. Maybe India wasn't as assertive a country as we are today. This whole fear that foreign investors will run away in case Warren Anderson is prosecuted, that's baseless. Do you think human life has no value, and both the BJP and the Congress have badly let India down?
Last 25 years, the developments, whether it's outside or whether inside the courtroom, this has shown that whether it is NDA government or it is a UPA government, both have miserably failed, and they do not want to touch multinational corporation, big sharks. And as you have correctly said, they fear that if we catch hold the Anderson, the foreign contribution will not come to us. I just want to say there was an extradition treaty between the United States of America and India. Why that has not been used by the Ministry of External Affairs and the government of India? I remember when I just came, this happened, Bhopal. I just came out from the university. I remember what happened on that day. Arjun Singh left people. He was not there at the site. He left with his official car. He ran away, and 18 kilometers away, he was just getting the information, trying to get from his subordinates. And the same way as he went on from that spot, the same way when Anderson came, he allowed with a special helicopter with the state to go out of Bhopal. They protected, and I say now this judgment 25,000 people killed. It is not only 25,000 people killed. Lakhs of women, they will never become mother. Lakhs of the boys and girls, small, those who were at that time infant, 2 years, 3 years, how they are surviving. Everybody is having respiratory problem, their digestion problem, they had a blood problem and all that. How they are living? Why? The government of India
It's a life of complete misery. In fact,
nobody
Sunita Narayan has been studying the impact